Fractions. Zoya loves to eat apple jam, so her mother is preparing apple jam for her.
Wow! Are you making apple jam for us? In what way are you cutting the apples for it? Yes, I'm cutting the apples into halves, one-fourth, etc.
How would you like to eat fruits? By cutting into pieces or a whole? Which fruit do you cut? Understanding fractions. An object that is complete in itself is a whole. The number 1 is used to show the whole object. One whole cake. One whole apple. Most of the time, we cut a whole into pieces to use it. Some pieces are cut in equal parts, while others in unequal parts. Lemon is cut into equal parts. Apple is cut into unequal parts. When a whole object is divided into equal parts, each part is called a fraction. Half or one half. When we cut a whole thing into two equal parts, each part is called one half, written like this. Cut an apple into two equal parts. Both the parts are called halves, read as 1 upon 2 or 1 by 2. Two halves make a whole. One third. When we divide a whole thing into three equal parts, each part is called one third, written like this. Divide a pizza in three equal parts. Each part of pizza is one third of the whole. We read it as 1 upon 3 or 1 by 3. 3 one-thirds make a whole. One-fourth or quarter. When we divide a whole thing into four equal parts, each part is called one-fourth or a quarter, written like this. Divide an apple in four equal parts. Each part of apple is one-fourth of the whole. We read it as 1 upon 4 or 1 by 4. 4 one-fourths make a whole. 3/4. When we divide an object into four equal parts, then three parts together out of four equal parts is called 3/4 or 3/4, written as this. This is one whole pizza. A quarter is being cut out. The remaining is 3/4. We read it as 3 upon 4 or 3 by 4. 1 3/4 and 1 1/4 make a whole. Fraction as a part of a collection. Here is a chocolate bar. It has 12 pieces. Let us cut it into two parts, which is half of the chocolate bar. When 12 pieces chocolate is cut into half, each half contains 6 pieces. Here are 6 ice creams into 3 equal groups. Each group has 2 ice creams. So, one third of 6 is 2. Here are 16 lollipops into 4 equal groups. Each group has 4 lollipops. So, one fourth of 16 is 4. All the best.